Vandeham.
The following is a class on Bhagavad Gita as it is, Chapter 9, Text number 13, given by His Divine Grace, A.C. Bhaktivedanta, Swami Prabhupada, recorded on 25th of November, 1966 in New York.
Sri Gurum Vaishnavang
महात्मानस्तु मां पार्थ दैवी प्रथितिमात्रितः भजन्ति अनन्यमनसो ज्ञात्वा भूतादिमव्ययम्. The Lord Krishna said that who are the Mahatmas? The symptom of Mahatma is that he knows that the Supreme Lord, Sri Krishna, is the original personality of Godhead, and he is the fountainhead and source of all emanation. Janmadasta jataha. In the Vedanta Sutra it is said very nicely, athato brahma jigyasa. Now, this human form of life is meant for inquiring about Brahma. The greatest. We are all engaged in studying temporary small things, problems, small problems. What is that problem? Ahara nidra bhaya maithun. The animal problems. How to eat, how to sleep, how to defend, and how to mate. These four principles, they are very minor problems. They are not at all problems, because automatically these problems are solved. Automatically. Vishaya khalu sarvatosya. Vishaya means this Vishaya, this object of enjoyment, this bodily necessity. Vishaya khalu sarvatasya. Vishaya means this object of sense gratification you will have in any form of body. Even a small bird, he has arrangement for eating, he has arrangement for sleeping, he has arrangement for defending, and he has arrangement for mating. As soon as a bird is born, two eggs are born, one male, one female. That means from the beginning of his life, the mating problem is solved. There is no necessity. A bird, the birds of these, they never seek. The male is seeking after female, and the female after seeking. That is automatically solved. Similarly, their eatings are already there, and their sleeping admonition are already there. So, these are not problems, but we have created problems only for the for demands of the body. So, Vedanta Sutra says that don't be busy about these problems. Vishaya khalu sarvatasya. These problems are satisfied in any form of life. Why in human form? They have developed consciousness, they have got better business. Why they should be engaged only for these four principles of life? Their problem is to inquire what is the source of all these manifestations. Athata brahma jignasa. The Vedanta Sutra informs. Now, you should inquire. You have got this developed consciousness of life, human form of life, very intelligent, and you are simply wasting your time simply for this eating, sleeping and mating. This is not your business. This is not your business. Nayan deho bhajang niloke Kashtan Kaman Arhati Virbhujang ji. Virbhujang means 2 liter. Hogs. So, Rishabdev says, Anadeha, this body is very fallible body. Every living entity has got a body. But this human form of body, especially the civilized form of body, oh, it is very important. And how to utilize it? Simply for eating, sleeping? No. Nayanga deha deho bhajang niloke. In the human society, this form of body is not meant for simply toiling hard only for gaining these 4 pulsions of life, because these necessities are supplied even to the hog, this 2 liter. This 2 liter is considered to be the lowest of the animals. The hog is still, he has got mating facility, he has got eating facility, he has got sleeping facility, and he has got defending facility. Therefore, Rishabdev said that this form of life, this human form of life, don't waste in that way. Vishaya Khalu Sadbhuta, you will have it. Even if you don't try for it, you will have it. Just for example, take for example myself. I am a foreigner, Indian. I came here only with $7 with me. That I got down from the sea. I did not know where to live, where to eat. But I am here for the last more than 1 year. So I am also eating, I am also sleeping, and I am also protected by my friend. So how this being done? I am not serving here. I did not come with some money, but and there is arrangement. Everyone, you have got arrangement that. Don't be very anxious for this problem. You should be anxious. Athat Brahma Jignasa. This is the problem of life. So, who inquired about this? Athat Brahma Jignasa. Those who are actually developed in consciousness, they inquire. Athat, what is the source of myself? I am living entity, this world, this nature, these so many things we see, and what is the cause of all causes? What is that? That should be inquiry. Jigyasu, inquisitive. And the answer is given here in the Vedanta Sutra next. Athata Brahma Jigyasa. Now this life is meant for inquiring about the Supreme Brahma. And what is that Brahma? The Brahma means that Janmadasna Jataha. Brahma means that source, that supreme absolute truth, from whom or from which everything emanates. The cause of all causes. That is Brahma. Now, sages, saints, philosophers, and transcendentalists, yogis, jnanis, they're all searching what is the ultimate source. So they have found out. What is that? They found out in the Brahma Samhita, we see there's a very nice verse. They say that Isara Parama Krishna Chidananda Vigraha Anadi Radhi Govinda Sarvakarana Karanam. Sarvakarana Karanam. Karana means cause. Sarvakarana. The cause of all causes. There are different causes. Just like take for the cotton cloth. What is the cause? The cotton cloth is made of thread. Thread is the cause of this cloth. Now, what is the cause of the